Time check is almost 12 in the midnight ug I just arrived sa room. Okay, I was come from my from a party. And this is Artera. This is the room that I got with one king size bed na dara. Then na siya TV sa diha nga side. Then na siya cabinet dire. Then you have coffee there. And mao to ang main door. And you have something small dira. O na siya, this is your bathtub. You have bathtub there. And that is your CR. So di pa man ko katulog, so I just want na ituyok to ko na sa ako ang room. Tomorrow morning I will show you, because Artera is a beachfront property, beachfront hotel. This is a mix mix siya nga building. Sa lower ground up to 8th floor is consist of a hotel units, and on the above going up is the residential condominium. So beachfront siya, and then it has a wide swimming pool. And I will show you tomorrow morning the whole area of this hotel here in Punta Engaño. So maybe we'll get interested in checking in this hotel. And you know, the breakfast here is really nice. This is how many times I check in this Artera. I think I think it's my 7th times here in Artera way back then, because I really love here. First thing is I love this is really not expensive, considering it's located in Punta Engaño. Most of the properties here, not most properties, but hotel units here in Punta Engaño, like, not to mention those big hotel brands, but their prices is really high compared here in Artera. This exact unit, you can get this for around, like, for only less than 4,000. And you have, it includes with your parking, and it includes with the use of all the amenities like the swimming pool, the gym, and also it includes with the breakfast buffet. And I tell you, the buffet here is really one of the top notch that I can recommend. And it's free. It's already packaged with what you are paying. For this room, the buffet is good for two people. And just want to show you the this is the bath of the unit that I got. This is located sa 7th floor dire na sa Artera. Upon entering sa door, from there on your right side is the kitchen. The kitchen, daanad man ko kundoy. The right side is this one, your CR. And on your left side, siya small nga something, you can put your things there. And then you have mirror, and you have here a very nice cabinet with locker, and your towel and your slippers there, and you have a hanger. Then your bed, it's really huge, really huge bed, I tell you, really huge. Makasulod good na siya tulo ka people, but that is good for two. But kung good tulo ka people, it can be. And you have a really good balcony. Tomorrow we can check the balcony. Wala lang ko naka-video this afternoon kay busy. I was very busy and super ngit-ngit there sa gawas, but you can hear man siguro the sound of the waves from the ocean. Then that's the swimming pool. And that's a very good beach. Tomorrow we can see that tomorrow. And this is a really huge balcony. And that's the unit. Let's check sa ground, sa lobby, kay it's 12 in the midnight, and we will take video there what you can see in the lobby, kay walay tao dito, walay samok. So we will go there now. I'll go there. We'll just get my slippers on and let's go. I get this first and let's go. And kani ang hallway. Kaning hallway. No? And these are the elevators. Tulo ka elevators yan. So nasa sa ground floor ang usa. It's going up na, and then the other one is in the 20th floor and the other one is 7th floor. So let's take this one. Then lapad sad kayo ilang elevator. Pila ka, maximum of 19 persons ang elevator. And additional information, the room is non-smoking. So this is the lobby. And siya small na dito. Let's check na. It's very quiet kay 12 in the midnight na karon. And this is the restaurant. We will take breakfast there tomorrow. That area. That's the lobby. And let's check here. That's the pool area sa gawas. That's the swimming pool area. Tomorrow we will go there kay ngit dito sa gawas, but that's the pool. And the concierge attendant told me nga ang pool is open from 8 AM up to, I think murag nagbungol masiguro ko, I think 10. Ay chief, sa ganit oras mag-close ang pool, chief? Mag
plus 8 sir.
Ay 8 in the evening, no?
8 AM ya.
8 AM to
5 PM pero mo yung extend mo na
8 sa morning tapos 5 sa hapon. 5 di ay. Ano na ko sa akong video. 5, so 5 no, 8 AM to 5. Thank you, Chip. So you will feel safe here kay look at them. It's 12 in the minute but they are doing their job to make the areas safe. And they have their dogs here. They have 3 dogs. And this is what looks the arteria outside during the night. So basically the arteria is really located inside a community because what you can see are residential lot. Kada mga residential lots na siya, and some of that residential lots na nay mga nagabarog nga houses. And the residential they have their own community nga amenities. They're all located dito. And this is the hotel. This is what it looks outside. Ngit-ngit siya. And that's the lobby. And that's the main door. And also there's another door there. So all of that is the lobby, concierge. and restaurant. So tomorrow we'll go around diri sa location sa Artera because it's night now, and I think I'm going to sleep na because I use my full day in my full schedule, having 3 events. I attended 3 events this for today, and it really kapoy ko siya, but it enjoy. So I will continue my video tomorrow, and hopefully guys you will be with me, and let's go inside. Good morning. As I promised last night, we will take video of the Artera during the daytime, especially the balcony, and we will do that today. And this is the inclusions, the toiletries that you can get. You have the shower cap, and you have shower gel, body lotion, and you have dental kit, and also you have shampoo and conditioner. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Be with me, and please hit that subscribe button. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can share my YouTube to your other social media platform, and you can like, and you can share all the video that I have. And please support me. It's just a small favor for you, and I'm thankful for you if you are going to subscribe with my YouTube channel. So let's check. First, I am already prepared niya. Gi-prepare ko na ang water for coffee because normally I don't drink coffee, but I want to drink now because I just feel I want to drink coffee. And I will show you now the balcony of this unit. It has a ocean view. Let's go now. And this is the ocean of the unit. Ocean view. That's the swimming pool. And then there's the ocean. Let's go there. So I prepared the coffee and it's already hot, but I will go for sa lobby, and I think I will take coffee first, and then after this I will go sa lobby to take breakfast, and we will tour around the Artera. And that is what you can see in the front of the building of the Artera. That is the Punta Engaño. That is the Amisa, and that is the communal swimming pool and amenities of the Discovery Bay. As you can see, it's surrounded by ocean because we are at the very tip of Punta Engaño. Artera is the very tip of Punta Engaño. You can see from here the Amisa, the buildings there. So these are the amenities that you can use when you are staying here in Artera. First, right, we will check the gym. This is the gym. And let's check the swimming pool. This is the swimming pool of the Artera, and in front of it is the ocean there. Yeah. So we are at the very tip of Punta Ingaño. On the right side, I mean on the left side, there is the northern part of Cebu. That's Liloan and Danao. We can see it from here, it's very far. There, that's the northern part of Cebu. And on the right side, it's open ocean. And this is the front of Artera. It's not white sand or even black sand, or it's rocks. So I think it's not good to swim there because the rocks is big, dagko ang rocks. And this is the back of the Artera. So whether your room is located at the back of the Artera or in the front of Artera, you have the ocean view. Kay sa pikas naman to yung ocean sa dito. So this is what it looks like here. Ang nice lang dito kay it's very, if you're looking for some hotel here in Punta Ingaño nga dili kay sa dagang ganik tao nagalakaw-lakaw or Saba, Artera is one of the option that you can choose. Kay ano mo siya, it's a tip of the island, and then wala gyud siya dagang mga sakyanan dili siya Saba, peaceful lang siya. As you can see, wala gyud siya laing wala dagang mga sakyanan. Nasa mga guests dire. Na mga tao dito nag-breakfast. Dili na ko feel I want to swim sa swimming pool, pero murag dili na man ako feel. Dili na lang siguro. Ganahan ako mag dire, mag lingaw-lingaw. Perfect ay ang location for relaxing yun. Kay ingani, peaceful, and then wala kay dagang madunggan na saba sa sakyanan. Unya nasa ingani siya. Ang hangin, then ang sound sa ocean. Relaxing. Kung wala pa mo nakaani sa Artera, try to experience this resort. This is located sa Punta Ingaño, sa Mactan Island, here in Cebu. Try to experience this one. If you are looking for a hotel nga dili siya sa I know mostly of the hotel is dili man gid siya makarelax man jud ka, but if you are looking for something like you are in the tip of an island nga, literally gyud nga like this one nga, it's open gyud ang imuhang pinaka ano. I think this one is good to consider kay, I don't know lang ha, kay ako sa pang 7 times na magud din ako dire. So daghan man choices here in Punta Inganyo, but this is one of my options. After this, let's go sa restaurant and we will check what's the breakfast there kay Sandy Monron. I like the breakfast. Let's sit here. Pwede egg, egg na. Pwede ka pa butang egg ma'am, tapos lang tomato lang o white onion o kane. Unsa ganyan ka na bacon? Lang. Palihog. Thank you. Ay, na Spanish sardines. maling na ano yung mga. So mix ni siya nga kung ano diri mix na sa development ba. Balay na ikon hotel. Balik ra ko niya, chef. Di tarong dito man tatong dalan gyud. Mao ning dili man tani diri. Ya murag paminan ako sa anong sa rason dito anong sira dito. Ni mo ni balin diri. Pero ayaw ko magid nila. Eventually. Kaya nahulog mo ganyan na hayin. Hayin magud ang subdivision. Ang tawagan na nga subdivision that is Cooperative. So mixed use diha na ay ang community diha na ay restaurant, na ay hotel, na ay condo, na ay subdivision. Ya, ang subdivision na sila ipon nga mga amenities, dako kay sila ipon sa subdivision. Yang hotel na sila ipon nga amenities. Lami pa kayong breakfast diya, unlimited ay sa tayo buffet.
Aso, mo lang ito functional lang dito sa hotel lang.
Ay, hotel mo dito siya, daga man tao dito sa loob. Kasagaran nag-chicken dia ka mga ano, mga European. Kaya ang mga Asian to dili man tayo.
Hello guys. Ito ni ganda kilay. Hello guys.
Kaya amisan nito pasad na dia pero mahal lang.
Uy, una, nag-picture.
Mas mahal lang yun.